let's go on to word banks. Word Bank Universal lets you see the word bank visible the whole time where you're writing. You can have a word cloud or a sequential. So it's similar. It's kind of a combination of topic dictionary with word bank. So let me show you. I have a slide on that right here. So I wanted to show you. Here's what this box might look like. This is a cloud view, which is kind of fun. And then as students are writing, if they're struggling for vocabulary, instead of having to think of it out of their head and start typing it, they can look here for ideas and choose ideas right from the word cloud. It also, if you're on a website, when you have this open, it will just draw vocabulary, key vocabulary right from that website and create a word cloud instantly. So it's not like you have to think of a topic and type in a topic for a topic dictionary. Wherever you're writing, it will draw from that content. Also, like I said, searches and selects from a list of pre-made topic dictionaries. And then again, all those words, if they're not sure what they are, they can hover and have them read aloud. So it's also a Chrome extension. So you could have the co-writer Chrome extension, the Snap and Read, and the word bank. They all kind of work in concert together, having them all open while you're working on a document. And then we talked about Read and Write. So Read and Write has the vocabulary list, right, where you can create a list with definitions and have the pictures in there, which is really nice. If you're working on helping students create their own word lists, there's a really nice feature within Read and Write, and it's linked here. I'm not going to show it right now because I'm trying not to show all the links, but just kind of give highlights unless someone has a request. And then WordQ5, I mentioned, they also have a dynamic topic dictionary list similar to the topic dictionaries in Co-Writer, so that you can check that out if that's something of interest to you. And then Clicker 8, and I have a screenshot here. Clicker 8 has its own version of word banks. The nice part about this is you can see here, like there's topic icons, character settings, nouns, adjectives. So right here on one screen, you can click on 5 different dictionaries and just toggle between them. And likewise, they have like an A to Z dictionary that has A through Z, and for each letter of the alphabet, there's words on a theme. So maybe I've seen one that's like, a presidential kind of topic, or government, and they have all kinds of vocabulary if the student's writing about that. And this video linked right here, if you're interested in learning more, you can see really quickly how easy it is to create and edit a word bank. Often I've used Clicker 8 a lot, and even if you come into a class without something pre-made, you can sit down with that student and just type out like 10 words or whatever they're working on, where's the vocabulary that you want them to have access to in that word bank, and create it and instantly use it as part of your teaching session. You can either have pre-selected ones and plan ahead, or you can create them on the fly very easily. And they're available both in the full software Clicker 8 and in the app Clicker Writer, which is on the iPad, or it's a Chrome app as well.
One thing I'll share is if you're using the word banks in Co-Writer and you have a whole bunch of word banks like active, it's not going to be as precise when they're writing about it. So you want to periodically, you have to go and turn the word bank off when you don't.
I know what you're talking about, like topic dictionaries, right? If you like you have a list, and
not the word bank, but the topic dictionary.
If you check multiple boxes, it's going to be drawing from like 2 or 3 times as many words. So unchecking the ones that you're done with and just having the one check that you're writing about will make it more accurate. Absolutely.